Huge news. Silver blows by $80 once again overnight, then comes back down. We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver update. Welcome to the channel. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. Happy hump day. Happy coffee, everybody. Woke up, made it to hump day. Silver and gold are doing fantastic. I think the bull run is starting. It might start a little slower. It might go up a little bit, might come down a little bit, but I do believe that bull run we've been talking about has begun. It has begun, everybody. So welcome to the channel if you're new, and thank you to all of my subscribers, all of my viewers all over the world, all over the United States. Everybody, I really appreciate you. I'm just the quarterback. You're the team, everybody. And without you, this channel does nothing. Without you watching these videos through, the algorithm doesn't push these videos at all. And so far, you've been doing a fantastic job, and I appreciate it. It has been pushing the algorithm now because you're watching it through, everybody, whether you like it or not. So, hey, welcome to the channel if you're new. We have a great time on this channel. It's like I'm talking from my living room to your living room, everyone. And we're sitting down next to each other just having a conversation. It's not really an edited, theatrical produced show, everybody. It's all about just trying to be myself, you being yourselves, you getting involved on this channel and commenting. So if you're a new subscriber, new viewer, thank you. We appreciate you. All of us do on this channel. We thank you for being here. We thank you for watching, everybody. So we're trying to start a new thing on YouTube, a new way of videoing, a new way of getting through to people by being a real person and not a robot, everybody. So that's how we do things on this channel. That's how we're going to continue. Let's check out some gold and silver this morning. And at the end of the video, I always pull out some world coins, and I'm going to start pulling out some of my personal collection and showing it to you at the end of these videos that I'm so very proud of, that I love, and that won't get sold. So let's get started on the bad boy gold right now. It was up over $4,800 an ounce. I think it's going to go back up. I think once all the markets open up, but it's at $4,795. Happy coffee to gold, doing fantastic. You know, it shows it down $44.50. So that kind of gives you an idea, over 4,800. And so it's doing really good. Great job, gold. Silver, everybody, $78.48. It was $79 for a long time yesterday, hit over $80. It's funny because I did this thumbnail, says I think 79.27, and for a long time it was within that 79.27, 79.29 mark all day yesterday. It was hilarious, and that was just doing some thumbnail experimentation. So $78.50 right now, everyone. It was $80. I took a picture of it when it was $80. Late last night, maybe early this morning, but it was $80. We've dropped quite a bit, but I think it's going to continue the bull run and come back up, and well into the 79. I think we'll hit 79 again today, and maybe there was some sell-offs a little bit. Oil did go down quite a bit, so that's causing silver to go up. A lot of the other things, a lot of the other economic reasons are causing silver to go back up. And as we all know, from what we talked about yesterday, silver's in a massive deficit. There's too many things going on to really hold that silver back. And eventually, it's going to come out. It's going to be the biggest bull run right out of the gate, running over everybody. It's going to be crazy. So 78.50 right now on silver. Platinum is up to 2,097. It's down this morning, but it's up from what it was. And palladium is $1,566, and rhodium. Rhodium is back to doing nothing. It's sitting at 9,600, not moving. The asking price is 10,600, right? Maybe that's why it's not moving. You're $1,000 higher than what it actually is spot price right now. So rhodium not doing much. Hong Kong and Mumbai and UK. Let's check them out. Let's see what they're doing this morning. Once again, happy coffee, everybody. And make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and watch these videos through. That's what helps the algorithm push these videos. If you don't understand it, it's critical for a video and a channel. Otherwise, the channel goes to the graveyard. We don't want to go to the channel graveyard. Got to push these videos, everybody. 48.33 in Hong Kong on gold right now, everybody. Allergies kind of coming back on me this morning, even though we had a lot of rain overnight. $80.35 on silver. See what I was talking about? We were there at one time, so I think we're going to be there. Possibly. Could it happen today? Could we have some little sharp dips? Yes, we can. We can still dip down, and we're likely to have some dips again before silver really takes off hard again. And when I say take off hard, I mean hard. So gold in Mumbai is 48.26. It's killing it, and 79.88 on silver. So it's still doing fantastic, everybody, for the year, for a 12-month period. And I bought some more stuff. I'm just waiting on it to come in, guys. London, $4,800. London, you're $4,800 on gold this morning. So congratulations. You're a little down on silver to 78.67, but doing fantastic. And what is the gold to silver ratio? So with gold really ramping up and silver ramping up, did it change the gold to silver ratio? It's about the same as it was yesterday, everybody. 61.22. Silver's winning the race right now. Winning that turtle race, right? But from here lately, it's been like a really fast turtle. And it's at 61.22 or 61-1 on the gold to silver ratio. I keep having to pause this video because, the allergies. Even with the honey, Charles, I don't know, man. It's just part of life. It is what it is, right? So SSC has allergies. So don't forget, in about, I don't know, a couple of weeks, we got the coin show in Norman coming up. I'm pretty excited about that. We'll be out there at the coin show in Norman. Hopefully we get to meet a bunch of you in Norman, everybody. We usually hang out with either Joe's Gold and Silver at the Goldback booth or Mike's Gold and Silver. Maybe someday we'll hang out with Raven Hawk. Who knows? But he'll have to ask. That would be cool, though, man. He's a good, great guy, man. So 61.1. So let's say 61-1. I'm sorry, 61.22, 61-1 on the gold to silver ratio. Everybody, let's look at the oil really quick. The oil is down to $92.63 a barrel, everyone. So that is helping drive those silver prices back up. People are pulling out of oil because oil is coming down. The tensions are easing over in the Middle East, even though usually geopolitical tensions drive gold and silver up. It has not on this one. So 92.63 on oil. The blockade continues so far this morning. I haven't seen anything different over there. So everything's doing really good as far as precious metals. And let's look at gold backs go. Gold went up. Gold backs went up, everybody. $99.63. Awesome gold backs. Thank you, gold backs. We love you. And we're giving a killer gold back away. Let me show it to you. Let's see. If you're new to this channel, everybody, we're giving a gold back away at 10,000 subscribers. We're giving we're doing a giveaway at 9,500 subscribers, where we're giving away a 5-ounce copper round and a 1-ounce silver stack cracker round with my ugly mug on it. And then at 10,000 subscribers, Goldback provided us with some things, everybody. A PMG 67 Goldback, everybody. A graded Goldback 250th anniversary PMG 67, guys. It is a colored shield number 255 of 2,500 made on this Goldback at 10,000 subscribers. So we're getting close. We were doing a giveaway, and we might still do that for the next week. We're going to try for another week of a Goldback with every video that gets 40 subscribers, everybody. So every video that gets 40 subscribers gets a gold back. Not everybody, one person. We'll pick one person that gets a gold back, but we're going to do a giveaway on that from that video that gets 40 subscribers, everybody. So, we're still 65% of our viewers are non-subscribers. So, if you want to win a gold back, subscribe, and we'll get there and comment. That way we know who you are. Actually, the program knows who you are, and then it can do a pick. So we'll try that again, and if it doesn't work, we'll do something different. But we are definitely 9,500 giveaway on subscribers and 10,000 giveaway on that big gold back, everybody. So $9.62. Let's move on to our base metals, everyone. Copper, like we've talked about, like the copper ore, the silver mines, the copper mines, the difficulty in opening all these mines, the shortages on stuff. Copper is up to $5.91. So it's way up, everybody. It's doing a great job. It's going to be $6 again, once again, before long. I think it's running hard. Nickel's really, really doing good, everybody. You might think about nickel. Some of you actually collect nickels, and pennies and stuff. Copper pennies, copper nickels, nickel. It cost 14.5 cents to make a nickel. They killed the penny pretty much, and it cost 14.5 cents to make a nickel. So why is that still happening? So it just shows you about inflation, everybody. So nickel's at $8.08. I think I'm going to buy me some more nickel bars just for fun. And that might turn into something. I said copper would turn into something. A lot of people said it would not turn into something. And look at what is happening to beautiful minted copper bars and rounds and 5-ounce and even 1-ounce. Everybody, look at what has happened to copper. Could that happen to nickel too? Could it happen to titanium? I've got some titanium. Who knows? So diversifying, it's fun. What do you got to lose? What do you got to lose, everybody? It's not just about gold and silver. There's a lot of other things that you can diversify in, including real estate and such, and other metals. So have a good time doing it. We're not financial advisors. You make your own decisions, but it's a lot of fun. So let's move on to aluminum. Aluminum, $1.64. It's about even Steven this morning. And zinc is at about $1.51. Let's look at the Shanghai market. I'm interested to see what Shanghai is doing right now. They are up a little bit. They're up to $89.39, everybody. I think we're going to push more on silver today and gold. I could be wrong. It could have a dip. When things open up in the U.S. and the New York Stock Exchange opens up, we might have a dip. They may try to drive it down. The COMEX may try to drive it down. But you know, the COMEX they don't even have enough silver supply to cover their contracts, everybody, to cover the papers. So what, 356 to 1, 356 to 1 physical ounce of silver. That's kind of crazy. 89.39. What is India? India is another indicator, 78.89. So India is up there, but not quite as high as China, because I believe China holds the spot price in their pricing, everyone. So once again, the silver, let's go over silver and gold. Then we're going to look at some really cool coins, everyone. We're at 15 minutes into the video. And you know, sometimes I'm really not looking over here, everybody. It's just I got to get my eyes accustomed to looking right here. So forgive me if I'm not looking at you straight in the face, you know, like we're talking right here. So anyway, we got some new viewers in France. First one I've heard from France. Welcome, France, everybody. Gold, $47.99. We're almost at 4,800 again. Silver, we're down a little bit. We're about $1, 78.41. But I'm holding my thumbnail where it's at. I'm going to keep it there because that's where I made it yesterday. It hit over 80, and we're going to keep it that way. And so I didn't do it as clickbait, everybody. It really happened. So let's check out some fabulous stuff. I love these world coins, and let's check out a couple of my beautiful collection of my silver coins, everybody. Let's get to it. All right, so we got a little bit of a different background, everybody. I've got some world coins to show you first, which are really cool, and then I'm going to show you a couple of my incredible coins come from my collection. So let's check out Turkey. Here's a 1964 Turkey. I think we've shown a couple of these before. Forgive my fingernails, guys. I work for a living, and I don't print my fingernails. So we don't look at that. 64 Turkey. Yeah, I was kind of checking it out, trying to get it focused in here, and you know, had a pause. But we don't edit our videos, so that's one thing about this channel, everybody. We don't edit videos. I just show you who I really am, and I make mistakes just like everybody else does. We're human, right? So look at this. This is actually very cool. That's a turkey coin. Turkey. Well, that's a chicken. Yeah, chicken. And I'm not gobble. Okay, turkey. Sorry, not trying to make fun of you, turkey. It's just my ADHD. Let's check out a Netherlands coin. 1961 cent. Netherlands. Golly, man. A lot of history over there in Europe, everybody. 1960 Netherlands coin. So much history in Netherlands and Denmark and all that over there. Incredible history. France. Wow. I think I've got some French coins, some old French coins. I'll have to dig them out, find them. I mean, old ones. So another beautiful Netherlands coin, everybody. And then here's a UK. We just pull these out, guys. This has got a little weight to it. 67 UK, 2 shillings. Pretty cool coin. It's a very nice coin. Very good condition, everybody. Very nice, UK. Oh, I haven't seen this one before. Haven't seen this design before. 2 shillings. Very cool. My UK friends, can you guys comment and explain the design on the back of this coin for me? Help us all. Explain it to all of us. For me, what is the design, UK, if you're watching, 365 if you watch us? Let us know what this is. what this design is. So a beautiful, beautiful coin from the UK, everybody. And our last foreign coin is Fiji, and then we're going to show you a couple of my beautiful silver coins. So look at that. That's pretty cool. Fiji, 1969, 1 cent. Very, very cool coin. You know, this stuff is actually worth money, everybody. You think, oh, it's not worth anything. But when you have 500 of these things, it's worth something, even if they're a penny a piece, you know, or 1 cent a piece, they'd be worth something, right? But I'm going to have fun with a lot of this stuff with the grandkids. And then at these coin shows, I might be giving some of these away to the children, to the youngsters that are getting involved in old numismatic coins and stuff for fun, you know. So really, really cool. Really cool Fiji 1969. So let's pull out a couple of my incredible coins, everybody. Whoops. These are from the Royal Canadian Mint, everyone, and they make some incredible coins. Royal Canadian Mint right here. Pretty cool. An incredible case, everybody. And look at this coin. The gilded sundial, everybody. 20 gilded sundial. Let's pull this thing out. I'm going to set this right here. Now, I've shown these in the past if you haven't watched my videos, but look at this coin. That is operational, everybody. This is a beautiful coin. You would think hey, that is a gold coin, but it is not a gold coin. This is a gilded silver, solid silver, $20 coin, 2025. And I got this one just because it was just absolutely beautiful. And it stays in the collection, everybody. It's one of my favorites, along with many other favorites. And our next and last coin, everybody, Royal Canadian Mint, another beautiful case. Look at this bad boy right here, a $30 coin. Let's take this out. Let's take this bad boy out. And look at this coin, everyone. We're at 22 minutes on the video. So thanks for sticking with me. Canadian 2025 2-ounce coin. It's the whale. And it is just absolutely beautiful. The details, beautiful. Look at that. Almost like a brushed finish on the back. Beautiful, beautiful coin, everybody. So everybody have a fantastic day. 2 beautiful, incredible coins, incredible foreign coins, everybody. Everybody have a great day. Lord, help us keep concentrating on the 20% that we have and not the 80% that we have, Father, and not the 20% that we seek. Everybody have a great, happy hump day. B25, coins, talking about gold and silver, everybody. Love y'all. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. I'm out.